So according to the GPS, we got about an hour and 20 minutes or so left till we get there. This is just super surreal for me. I've always played and raced, on the Road America track, in Sims and Forza, all that kind of stuff, and I didn't know it was 2.5 hours away. Okay, so yesterday it actually rained the whole time.
Here we are in the car. It's a little dark. Bear with me. Gonna turn on map switching. Straight to the lowest map we can set it to. And custom input, we have a boost controller. So this thing's getting dialed all the way down to as low as it can go in the rain, 14 PSI. Okay, and that's set. That's literally set. I throw this in the phone and I can still do the custom map switching. 1, 2, 3, 4 maps. Boom. Done. Nice and easy.
I was not there for the first day on Saturday. Today is Sunday. But yesterday, Jackie and one other driver beat out the rest of the pack by 20 seconds. And that was in the wet. So other people may have not had correct setups or, the rain was predicted for a while, so they should have known and had time to prepare for that. But I'm really curious to see how Jackie's going to do today in the dry. So we'll see how his aero works. We'll see if he brought his low drag package that he was talking about in last week's video. That new turbo should definitely help him out on this track. Road America's a 4-mile course, I think 14 turns. So let's get there. 1 hour left. Let's go.
Not bad. It's been good. Sweet. We just did 160 over there.
You hit it. You did it. I remember you said you went at 160.
We went to 160. We got at 160.8.
That's awesome, dude.
Pretty scary, this thing.
How's the response out of the corners?
Response is like it's night and day. It's like wild. It's wild how good this thing is right now.
That's good.
Because it's hooked up in the corners and then you just fire it out of the next one.
Wow. I saw your post yesterday. 20 seconds over the rest of the pack. You and one other driver.
Yeah, the other Chevy SS1 over there, SS1OE over there. Yeah, we're both old S2000 drivers, so both could handle the wet pretty well. It's pretty funny. We're currently second in class, 7:10 behind the C5 Vet. Got a lot more. I think I was on a really good flyer, and then we ran out of fuel. So, yeah, second lap was going to be better, but that's why I'm pouring more fuel in.
What did we dyno at the other day?
Just made 6:15, and that was the 6:15. That was the overkill map.
Okay.
That was everything.
More power, baby! Everybody!
More power, baby!
But there's more in the driving, so I tried braking later everywhere and it started working better. So that's what we'll do next. Start working on the braking zones and getting it down there. This is still the same high downforce setup that we usually run. Without it, I think we could have got 165. So we're gonna trim out the rear wing more and just level it out a little bit more. Try to work on some aero things if we could, because I think the next session is going to be it. Afternoon might not be quite so fast anymore. So. Now the car's on fire, but I can't stop. I couldn't finish. I couldn't just let it off. I'm at the end of pit lane.
What? Hey, I know. What? You okay?
The splitter's falling off.
Yeah, I know. I can hear that. But you okay, right?
I'm okay. I parked it at the end of pit lane.
Yeah. I saw. Just want to make sure you're okay.
Holy fuck, man!
I know 20.2. I think you got right.
Did anybody else go quicker?
Let me look. Give me a sec.
I had to go through the cake with the fucking splitter falling off.
0.69, and yours was a 20.4.
Are we winning?
Yes, you beat him. He pulled a 20.22, but you beat him.
20 as well?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull. I think I'm just gonna back it into pit lane. Holy.
So I just pulled up here to get a new angle and I see Jackie. I don't know what's going on. Alright, I'm gonna head back to the pits and talk to him. Hope the car's all good. Could have been temperatures, maybe brakes. Alright, his crew chief that was with him, he looks like he's looking at his front splitter.
Your splitter's still on the car, but it's dropped down.
Check.
It's dropped down. Yeah, it's.
Yeah, it was just a splitter.
Yeah.
I heard it coming down.
Yeah, that's done. That's this whole thing done.
I actually believed in God going into the kink
Oh, it was happening at the kink?
before the kink.
Oh,
So I did one of these. I'm like, God help me. 20.3.
yeah.
If it wasn't for the splitter, it could have been 19.
I know.
It would have been 19.
I know if it happened like before carousel.
Half a lap I had to do. No, it happened at turn 4.
Oh wow.
5. I had to
did
do
you
the
half a
whole
lap
lap
like this?
Yes.
Yeah.
What happened?
Look at it.
What happened?
Oh no.
AMS's powertrain package works so well, our aerial couldn't handle it at 163 miles an hour.
It just snapped.
Technically,
man.
we heard the splitter before. I rode a Atlanta when I had a little off, and we knew it was gonna happen. It was just a matter of when.
Well, the good news, we're winning.
Really?
Yes.
Yes.
On like a broken splitter by like
Nice.
0.3.
Winning, but we haven't beat him yet. We'll see what he does last session.
Yeah.
One more session.
If he beats us, he beats us.
Yeah,
'Cause
but this is the
we're
best
done.
we
We
can do,
couldn't.
Yeah, this is it, huh?
We got 163.
Nice, dude. Awesome.
Quick,
great.
this thing. It's so quick. I messed up so many turns on that lap,
Yeah.
so I could have gone so much faster. But
Oh well.
that's
fuck.
racing.
No shit.
Yeah, I know.
Next year.
Why don't we put like a front splitter on the front splitter that
That's
pushes
illegal, they say.
on the
That's-
front splitter?
I would like to, but that's illegal.
It's okay.
That's it. More power isn't illegal. When are we gonna make 1,000?
More power? You got dang right, more power! More power!
Power works. Awesome. So good. I'm so happy with it. So yeah, this is an easy fix. This is just get a new one bolted on. We're good.
You guys have a spare?
No, we'll build one.
That's nuts, man.
We'll see if we hold on to the win. If not, we're like second or third. Who cares?
we're already on. How many episodes have you been on, actually? Like 2?
A few.
A few, yeah.
You're too far gone at that point.
So I'm Alex Lee. I'm basically crew chief for Jackie Dane. Also just helping Jackie Dane with the setup and everything. So I've been helping him since the gray car, and then just like kind of figuring all the car together most of the time, and just doing track prep and setup on this car ever since like day one, pretty much.
Don't do it.
Dude, you just ate through this.
Yeah,
Well, maximum downforce. You wanted it.
I wanted it.
Yeah. See what you did, Jackie? You
Yeah.
see what you did right
Too greedy, unfortunately. We have these. They're titanium.
Yeah.
So they're titanium spark.
I
We
see.
lost
It.
one. Yeah, we lost one over there. That's why
There's
it's sparks.
probably like $100 worth of titanium somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere.
Somebody better find it.
Street mod, the baddest battles of the weekend. Unbelievable battles. You can never underestimate them. Always developing, always fast. At 20, 3, 4, 3. That's the game right there. Very nice. The splitter fell off and he almost drove it over, so we have to reinforce that bad boy. Great job so far.
Well, we did our best. Car's loaded up, ready to go home. I'm very happy with it. Response, anything above 3,000, Jesus Christ, it just comes on and it stays, hit the next one, another wave, doesn't stop. It's so quick, it's so nice. 163, I've never gone that fast in my entire life. Take it off a rear wheel, probably could go another 10 miles an hour faster, I bet you.
Yeah, probably.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Second place.
Hey,
Rather wish it was a 1, but you know,
hey.
next time.
For having a broken splitter, that's still really good.
Well,
So-
we've been to 8 events all year, 8 podiums, at all 8 events. So that's
impressive.
the consistency of this car, no matter where we go, is really ridiculous and is a testament to what you guys do. We never have engine troubles. We never have alternator problems. We never had any like power. Oh, this is not working. That's not working. It just works everywhere, anywhere, full power all the time, and that's what I love about it. It's so reliable right now.
All right, well, everybody at AMS wants to congratulate you, especially
Thank you
everybody
very much.
watching.
Thank you, everybody at AMS.
did a great
Couldn't have
job.
done it without you.
Gingerman, October.
Yep.
We'll see you there.
See you then.